Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share a small story from daily life. It is about a mother and her just 2 minutes. I was sitting on the sofa using my mobile. My mother called me from the kitchen. She said, "Son, it's just 2 minutes of work." I didn't want to get up. I said, "Mom, later." But she smiled and repeated, "Just 2 minutes." I went to the kitchen slowly. She said, "Cut these vegetables." After that, she said, "Put the dishes away." Then she said, "Turn off the gas. Bring the clothes inside." I looked at her and said, "Mom, these 2 minutes are very long." My mother laughed softly and said, "Son, a mother's 2 minutes never end." She didn't sound angry. She didn't sound tired. She sounded caring. I stood there quietly. All day, my mother works for the family. She cooks, she cleans, she worries about everyone. But when we ask her for help, she never says, "I am busy." Her just 2 minutes is not about work. It is about love. It is her way of keeping the family together. Small help, big heart. That day, I kept my phone aside. I stayed in the kitchen with her. We talked. We smiled. Those 2 minutes felt peaceful. Sometimes the smallest moments with our parents become the biggest memories. A mother's just 2 minutes is not a request. It is an invitation to love. So today, when your mother says, "Just 2 minutes," say yes, because love lives in those moments. Thank you.